VMware by Broadcom, Friday the 31st of May 2024 is another deadline for service providers. What do you need to have to decide by then? So you need to decide whether you are going to A, become a Premier or Pinnacle partner by yourself. If you are going to be B, a white label sub-provider, at that moment you still need to be a registered partner by the end of the week as well. If you want to stay as a Premier or Pinnacle, you need to commit to 3,500 or 7,000 cores. If you have anything in writing which allows you to go in with less than 3,500 cores, I would be highly interested. Please put it in the comments or ping me directly, because all I got so far, all the contracts were still on the higher amount. And again, you need to close by Friday. The third option is actually you're going to terminate the program, which gives you 1 year time to finally get off the platform and you will be charged directly by Broadcom according to the FAQs. But better be careful. Everything I heard so far is there is basically no easy way back out of that decision. So and that applies to all Broadcom partnerships. So if you decide that you are going to terminate being a cloud provider, that might also terminate then latest next year your reseller status and everything else. So better be sure to check what is your approach moving forward. And if you have any questions, we are going to run a webinar tomorrow morning, 8:30 a.m. Pacific time US. So that's evening time in Europe. I'm going to put in the comments the link to this one as well. So if you still want to sign up for that one, please do so. If you need anything else, please ping me. We are still accepting white label hosts in all the major territories. So feel free to reach out. If you have any other questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. If you are not already doing so, please follow me on social media so that you always get the latest and greatest around VMware by Broadcom. See you soon.